Hi there, welcome back to WETO tutorials, and now in this video we're gonna learn about collision control. Let's check out the general collision control. We also have for walls specifically. We're gonna check this out later. Let's start with the collision control for all the 3D elements. Here we have this L-shaped roof model, and even with the naked eye you can see that we have lots of colliding elements. And for identifying all of these junctions, you have this collision control under the Edit toolbox. Let's check this out. We have here a smaller panel. We have the Calculate button. And now we have all the nodes where collision happens. We have this button, the Delete button. This deletes all those red dots, so it's not visible anymore. If I put back the dots, you can see it exactly calculates the number of collisions. And with this button, Show all colliding components, you can get a view with only the colliding components, obviously. So this makes editing a lot easier, because if I want to eliminate those collisions, now in this view I can do that easily. I just come here to the Machine Works tab, and let's solve some of these problems. First, I need a controlled cut for this element. The thing is that all the other elements are there, you just don't see them. They are visible, but they are selectable also, as you can see here. So you get this view, but you have to be cautious what to select. So let's try again. Controlled cut. Let's select this piece. Yeah, that's not the one. So as you can see, it's a little bit hard to work with this view, but if you concentrate on this junction here and tell the model to show selection only, now it will be a lot easier to modify those elements. Let's give it a little tenon. All right. And now if I run the collision control again, now as you can see, there was 24 before, and now it's 22. So we have already eliminated 2 of those collisions. Let's show all, a close selection. Let's solve another collision. I'm selecting first to see only those colliding elements. And now I will select those components in question. Oops, oh, all right. Show selection only. And now we can edit these elements. You just select the element, press Shift for surface selection. I'm selecting these 2 surfaces. And now it's shaped right as I wanted. As for this node, we're gonna use a cross-halving joint. Let's select those two pieces and it's done. And now if we check the collision control, it's already 20. It's down to 20. So we are slowly but surely eliminating those collision nodes. And if you want to, you can do this on all these nodes to make them disappear. So as I said earlier, we have another type of collision control specifically for walls. As you can see, I created some walls with some openings on them, doors and windows, and those openings have their respective frames, king studs and seals and headers and all sorts of stuff, which sometimes collide with the elements in the walls. And if you want to see those collisions clearly, you have this tool, collision detection wall trimming. If you ask it to show the clashed studs, you can see those studs in red. And in our case, as you can see, we have problems in every openings. So how can we solve these collisions? Very easily. You just select the collision detection button again and select the move clashed studs option. And when you click on it, I think you saw that some studs just moved by itself. And if I ask it to show again the clashed studs, now they moved back to their places. So there are no collisions right now in our walls. Still, if you want to eliminate any collision in the 3D elements themselves, you can still calculate the collisions with the general collision control. Right now we have 138 collisions. That's because we did not make the corners, but if you would like to, you could just solve these problems with the corner creation, create connection. That's it. This was a short introduction into collision control here in WETO Viskon 16. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, or even you can contact us using the information in the description. And as always, keep up the good work and have a nice day.